Welcome everyone in this video. My name is Kumar Saurabh, and today in this video we will learn about PostgreSQL Cast function. Let's see what we are going to cover in this video. First we will know about what is a cast function and how to use it. Then we will learn how to use a cast function to convert a data from integer to float. Then we will learn how to convert a data from integer to string using cast function in PostgreSQL. At the end we will know about how to convert integer to character using a cast function in PostgreSQL. Now move to the first topic, what is cast function? So cast function of PostgreSQL is used to convert one data type to another data type. Like we can convert integer to float, integer to string, and character to string. Here you can say there are two ways to convert from one data type to another data type. First we use a cast function with as keyword, and the second with a cast operator. So within a cast function, first we specify the value that we want to convert, and after the as we specify the data type of the value like int, float, character. And the same case for the second syntax, as you can see, we use the value, and after we use the cast operator, and then we use the data type for that value. Now move to the next topic, how to cast int to float in PostgreSQL. So to cast int to float, within a cast function we use the data type as a float, you can see here, and the value can be any whole number integer value that we want to convert into float. Let's see with an example. Now come back to query editor of pgadmin and write this code, select 2 and execute the code. As we can see, we have specified a 2 value with a select statement, and in the output we can see the output is integer 2. Now we'll convert this integer to float using a cast function. Let's see, we have used cast function, and as value we are specifying 2, then we have specified keyword as, after that we will specify the data type float. Now execute the code. As we can see, the data type is double precision, which is a float. This is how to convert integer to float in PostgreSQL. Now move to the next topic, how to cast integer to string. For that we will use the data type as a string in the cast function. So let's see with an example how to do it. Now come back to query editor, and here we are going to convert a value 2 to string. Let's see. In PostgreSQL there is a data type called text. To convert any integer value to a string, let's specify that data type text. Now execute the code. As we can see, integer value is converted to text using the cast function. This is how to convert integer to string in PostgreSQL. Now move to the last topic of this tutorial, how to convert integer to character. For that we use the data type varchar in cast function. Let's see with an example. Now come back to query editor, and we will use the same example, and here we are going to convert it to varchar value or character varying value. For that we will specify the data type as a varchar. Now execute the code. As we can see, the integer 2 is converted to character varying or varchar value. This is how to convert an integer to varchar in PostgreSQL or character in PostgreSQL. Before we end this tutorial, let me tell you that we have detailed post about PostgreSQL Cast on our website databasefacts.com. I hope that you have enjoyed video tutorial about how to use the cast function in PostgreSQL. At last, I want to say don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel, and thank you.